Welcome to our AI for Everyone instructional video series. This instructional video series is developed by the American Institute for Professional Training and Development, a nonprofit organization. This educational video series is designed to help everyone learn about AI and explore how to benefit from this remarkable technology. The entire series is available to everyone at no charge. My name is Sandy, and I will be the AI avatar guiding you throughout this presentation. This will be a simple and plain English introduction to the AI technology that is reshaping our world. You've probably already used artificial intelligence in some form, maybe before you even had your morning coffee. The face that unlocked your phone? That was AI. The route your Maps app chose? That was AI. The list of movies that you might also like, displayed on your streaming service, was also produced by AI. The spam filter for your email box, that too is AI. So, what actually is AI? And how does it differ from regular software? That's what we're here to find out. By definition, artificial intelligence is software that learns from data and examples, rather than following rules written by a programmer. At its core, artificial intelligence is a software that can perform tasks that normally require human-like thinking, such as recognizing patterns, making decisions, understanding language, or learning from experience. It works in a very different way from traditional software. Traditional software follows a specific set of rules or instructions like, if X happens, then do Y. AI, on the other hand, is given large amounts of data and examples, and it learns how to figure out the rules. Let's take a closer look at some of the key differences. Traditional software follows rules explicitly written by a human programmer. The programmer tells it, if this happens, do that. Every possible scenario has to be coded in advance. AI flips that around. Instead of being given rules, AI learns the rules on its own. It does this by studying enormous amounts of examples and data. Think of it this way. To teach a child what a dog looks like, you don't write out every possible dog description. Pointy ears, floppy ears, big, small, fluffy, short-haired. You just show them hundreds of pictures of dogs, and their brain figures out the pattern. AI does something similar. Show it millions of dog photos with the label dog, and it learns to recognize dogs on its own. AI has the ability to learn from the information and data that it is given. AI is actually an umbrella term. There are a few different flavors worth knowing. The three basic types of AI include narrow AI, which is usually just called AI. It's really good at performing specific tasks. This is what is most commonly used today. The spam filter for your emails, the face unlock on your phone, and a chess-playing computer are all examples of narrow AI. The next type is general AI, or artificial general intelligence, often referred to as AGI. That is an AI that can do any intellectual tasks a human can do. It can switch between writing a poem, diagnosing a patient, and doing taxes. Some argue we are already using AGI, others think it does not exist yet, and researchers disagree on whether and when it will exist. Then there is super AI, or artificial superintelligence, also known as ASIFS, is an AI that surpasses human intelligence across every domain. This is still in the realm of theory and science fiction, at least for now. When you hear AI in the news or in daily life, it almost always referring to narrow AI. It's important to note that the idea of artificial intelligence isn't new. The idea has been around for several decades. In 1950, the mathematician Alan Turing asked the famous question, can machines think? And proposed a test to find out. In 1956, scientists coined the term artificial intelligence at a conference at Dartmouth College. Early optimism was enormous. But progress was slow, computers weren't powerful enough, and data was scarce. The field went through periods called AI winters, where funding dried up and enthusiasm faded. However, everything changed, and starting in the year 2010. Three ingredients finally came together: massive datasets thanks to the internet, powerful computer chips, and a breakthrough technique called deep learning. Then in 2022, tools like ChatGPT hit the mainstream, and suddenly everyone was talking about AI. We went from a slow simmer in previous decades to a full boil. It all now seems to have happened very fast. AI is already woven into our daily lives in many ways. People are now using AI to generate new recipes, brainstorm for new ideas, and create images and videos. Your email inbox uses AI to filter spam and suggest quick replies. Streaming platforms use AI to predict what you'll want to watch next. Smartphones use AI for face recognition, autocomplete, and photo enhancement. Navigation apps use AI to predict traffic and reroute you in real time. Healthcare uses AI to help detect cancer in medical scans, often earlier than human doctors alone. Customer service chatbots use AI to understand and respond to your questions. These aren't futuristic examples, they're happening right now, every day. AI is rapidly becoming part of our lives. So let's recap what we've covered. 1. AI is software that learns from data and examples rather than following pre-written rules. 2. The AI that exists today, narrow AI, is incredibly powerful within a specific task but can't generalize the way humans do. 3. AI has been in development for 70 years, but a convergence of data, computing power, and new techniques has caused an explosion in capability just in the last decade. Thank you for joining me in this presentation, and I encourage you to continue watching this informative and instructional video series to learn more about this remarkable new technology. In the next video, we will take a closer look at a brief history of AI.